10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth buying. Did you know that the average person spends nearly 20 minutes a day in the kitchen? That's over 120 hours a year spent chopping, stirring, frying, and cleaning. Now, imagine cutting that time in half with just the right gadgets. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, we've rounded up 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are not only functional, but will seriously elevate your cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone just trying to get dinner on the table faster, these tools can save you time, hassle, and maybe even a few headaches in the kitchen. Stick with us as we dive into the essentials that you won't want to miss. Prep Naturals storage containers. Let's talk about storage. Because who hasn't had that one moment when you open the fridge and everything is a mess? Maybe your leftovers are spilling over or your veggies are wilting because they weren't sealed properly. Prep Naturals storage containers are a game changer. These containers are made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic and come with airtight lids that ensure everything stays fresh for longer. They come in various sizes, perfect for storing everything from soups to snacks. What sets them apart is their stackable design, making it super easy to organize your fridge without it looking like a chaotic mess. Plus, these containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Talk about convenience. Norpro batter dispenser. Now, how many of you have attempted to make pancakes or waffles and ended up with more batter on the counter than in the pan? The Norpro batter dispenser is the solution to this very issue. It's a clever, easy-to-use tool that makes pouring batter a breeze. Whether you're flipping pancakes, making cupcakes, or even trying your hand at crepes, this dispenser gives you total control. The best part? The spout allows you to pour just the right amount of batter without making a mess. No more trying to pour the batter from a bowl and ending up with it everywhere. It's perfect for getting that consistent, perfect size every time. While the size might not be ideal for large batches, it's absolutely perfect for small to medium servings. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just rinse it under water and you're good to go. If you've ever wanted to make your pancake making experience a whole lot more fun and a lot less messy, the Norpro batter dispenser is your ticket. The Activity Smart Kitchen Scale. We've all been there, following a recipe that calls for precise measurements, only to end up guessing and hoping for the best. The Activity Smart Kitchen Scale eliminates that guesswork, offering accuracy down to 0.1 grams. This isn't your average scale. It connects to your smartphone through an app, allowing you to track nutritional information, calories, and macros. Whether you're baking delicate pastries, weighing ingredients for a meal plan, or trying to stick to a specific diet, this scale has your back. What makes it stand out is its built-in tare function, which resets the scale to 0 every time you add ingredients, making measuring multiple items a lot easier. It's sleek, compact, and easy to store, but what really seals the deal is how it's designed to save you time and effort while giving you a more precise cooking experience. NutriBullet Smart Blender. If you're into smoothies, soups, or even making your own nut butters, you've probably heard of the NutriBullet Smart Blender. But what makes this blender so special? For starters, it's not just any blender. It's smart, meaning it connects to an app on your phone offering personalized blending recommendations and tracking your meals. Whether you're looking to make the perfect green smoothie or whip up a protein-packed shake, this blender can do it all. It's designed with high-speed blades that break down ingredients into a smooth, consistent texture, making it ideal for anyone who loves their drinks silky smooth. And the best part? It's self-cleaning. Just add soap and water and let it do its thing. Innova Precision Cooker Nano Cooking Sous Vide used to be reserved for fancy restaurants, but the Innova Precision Cooker Nano brings this restaurant-level cooking into your own home. It's a compact immersion circulator that ensures your food is cooked to the perfect temperature every single time. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, or even vegetables, this device circulates water at a constant temperature, resulting in food that is precisely cooked all the way through. The best feature? It's controlled through an app, allowing you to start and monitor your food remotely. No need to hover over the stove. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level without the need for fancy equipment or complicated techniques. The only thing to note is that it requires a separate container to hold the water, but once you get the hang of it, sous vide cooking will quickly become your new favorite method. Joseph Touchless Bin. No one likes touching a trash can lid, especially after handling raw meat or chopping garlic. Enter the Joseph Touchless Bin. This sleek, sensor-operated trash can makes taking out the trash a lot more hygienic. With motion sensor technology, the lid automatically opens when you approach, making it a perfect solution for when your hands are full. It's also equipped with a bin liner pocket, which makes changing trash bags super easy. The modern design looks stylish in any kitchen, and its compact size is perfect for smaller spaces. Sure, it might seem like an unnecessary luxury, but once you get used to the convenience of not having to touch the trash, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And that is it. A small investment for a big boost in cleanliness and convenience. Weber iGrill Mini Thermometer. If you're someone who's serious about grilling, then the Weber iGrill Mini Thermometer is a game changer. Gone are the days of guessing whether your steak is perfectly cooked or if your chicken is safe to eat. This Bluetooth-enabled thermometer connects to your smartphone, giving you real-time temperature readings of whatever you're grilling. It allows you to monitor the cooking process from the comfort of your chair, so no more hovering by the grill or second-guessing your food's doneness. You can even set temperature alarms, which will notify you when your meat has reached the perfect temperature. It's an essential tool for anyone who loves to grill but wants to take the guesswork out of it. The only thing to keep in mind is that it works with single meat monitoring, so if you're cooking multiple types at once, you'll need a couple of these. Gourmia Smart Air Fryer. The Gourmia Smart Air Fryer is a next-gen appliance for anyone who's into healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. Air fryers have been a big trend, and the Gourmia model takes it to the next level by offering smart features, including a touchscreen and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect it to your phone and control the cooking process remotely, making it super easy to check on your fries or chicken wings from the couch. With a large capacity, it's great for families or anyone who needs to prepare multiple servings at once. The air frying technology reduces the amount of oil needed, giving you crispy, delicious food without all the grease. Some users report that it can take a little longer to cook compared to other models, but the flavor and texture of the food make it worth the wait. Breville Smart Oven Air. The Breville Smart Oven Air is the kind of oven that will make you wonder why you ever used a conventional one. It's not just an oven, it's a countertop powerhouse that can bake, roast, broil, air fry, and even dehydrate. With its smart technology, it automatically adjusts cooking times and temperatures based on what you're cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. The large interior can accommodate a 14-inch pizza or even a whole chicken, making it a versatile option for any kitchen. It also comes with a smart LCD screen that makes it easy to navigate through the settings and choose your desired cooking method. Thermo Pro Wireless Thermometer. For anyone who's serious about cooking meat to perfection, the Thermo Pro Wireless Thermometer is an absolute game changer. This dual-probe thermometer allows you to monitor the temperature of 2 different pieces of meat at once, so you don't have to worry about overcooking or undercooking. It comes with a wireless receiver that alerts you when your food has reached the perfect temperature, no need to hover over the grill or stove. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply insert the probes, set the desired temperature, and go on with your day while the thermometer does all the work. If you're ready to transform your kitchen game, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips and gadget reviews, and leave a comment below telling us which gadget you think is the most essential. Keep cooking smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next one.